So I will show you how to calculate distance between a place and another place in Google Maps. So open Google Maps like this. And right now, after opening your Google Maps, choose the place that you want to start your calculate distance. For example, in this city, I would choose a place. For example, here. So I would just zoom and I will click on my screen for like 2 seconds or 1 second. Then it will show me this list. Click the last option, measure distance, and it will start to calculate, as you can see, on meter. And I will right now go to the final place, for example this stadium, and click add point. And yeah, that's also the distance between my this and this. It's 7 kilometers. And that's all, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.